Hi everyone. Keyboard shortcuts are one of the best ways to work faster and more efficiently in Excel. There are hundreds of shortcuts available, and you don't need to remember all of them. Most people only use about 10 to 15 shortcuts on a regular basis. So let's go through some of the most popular ones together. Right now, I don't have anything open. To create a new blank workbook, I press Ctrl plus N. To save this workbook, I press Ctrl plus S. This opens the Save window where I can choose a location and a file name. I'll cancel this for now because we'll cover saving in more detail later. Now let's type something into a cell. I'll click on any cell and type the number 2026. To format this number, I can use a few shortcuts. Ctrl plus B makes the text bold. Ctrl plus I makes it italic. Ctrl plus U adds an underline. If I want to undo these changes, I press Ctrl plus Z. I can press it multiple times to go back step by step. If I want to move this number to another cell, I use Ctrl plus X to cut it. You'll see moving dotted lines around the cell. These are often called marching ants. That means the data is ready to be moved. I click another cell and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. If I want to make a copy instead, I press Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V in a new cell. The original cell is still selected, so I press Escape to deselect it. Now let's open a workbook that already contains data. The shortcut for Open is Ctrl plus O. This takes us to the Open screen, where we can choose a recent file. I'll click once to open it. With this data open, we can move around very quickly. Ctrl plus down arrow jumps to the last row. Ctrl plus up arrow takes us back to the top. Ctrl plus right arrow moves to the last column, and Ctrl plus left arrow brings us back to the first column. If I want to select data, I just add the Shift key. Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow selects the entire column of data. Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow selects everything across the row. Another very useful shortcut is Ctrl plus A. If I press it inside a table, Excel selects just that data. If I press it in an empty area, Excel selects the entire worksheet. To hide the ribbon, I press Ctrl plus F1. Press it again to bring the ribbon back. To print the worksheet, I press Ctrl plus P. This opens the Print menu, where I can choose my settings. To exit this screen, I press Escape. If you prefer working without a mouse, this next shortcut is extremely useful. Press the Alt key. You'll see letters appear on the ribbon. These letters show you how to access everything using the keyboard. For example, to insert a shape, I press Alt, then N for Insert, then SH for Shapes. I use the arrow keys to choose a shape and press Enter to insert it. I can move the shape using the arrow keys. To exit this mode, I press Alt again. If you want to see all Excel shortcuts, press F1 to open Help. Type Keyboard Shortcuts and press Enter. You'll find a full list organized by category. This is a great reference if you want to rely more on the keyboard and less on the mouse. So, these are some of the most useful Excel keyboard shortcuts. Once you start using them, you'll work faster and feel much more confident in Excel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.